Strengthening Our Bonds, Solutions for African Marriages Abroad. Hello again, family. Welcome back to Africans in Diaspora TV. It's your brother Chris. In part 1 of this video, we explored the challenges straining African marriages in the diaspora, cultural clashes, financial stress, family obligations, and isolation. And I promise to come back with the part 2, where we'll explore actionable strategies to handle these challenges. Plus, I'll signpost you to organizations and centers that can help us strengthen our marriages. Today, we're focusing on solutions for our African marriages in the diaspora. We'll unpack practical strategies and connect you with organizations ready to support your journey. Let's dive in. Bridging the gap. Navigating cultural differences. Cultural clashes can create friction, but it doesn't have to mean fire. Redefine roles together. Have open conversations about expectations. Create a partnership blueprint that honors heritage and embraces equality. Seek professional help. Therapists specializing in African diaspora dynamics can be game changers. Celebrate your hybrid values. Host culture nights and share traditions with your children and community. Embrace the beauty of merging two worlds into something stronger. Let's build those bridges. Relieving the pressure, easing financial strain in marriage. Money troubles can strain marriages, but we can navigate this together. Unite around a budget using apps like Monzo or YNAB. Transparency is key. Have monthly money dates to review financial goals. Upskill together with free online courses to boost earning potential. Higher earnings can ease financial stresses. Let's lighten that load. Finding the balance. Managing family ties and expectations. We cherish our family ties, but obligations can feel heavy abroad. Set boundaries with love and explain your limitations to family back home. Create a dedicated family fund for remittances to prevent overspending. Leverage mediators to communicate boundaries respectfully. Balance is possible with honesty and clear communication. Let's find that balance. Combating isolation. Rebuilding community and connection. Loneliness can creep up, but we can rebuild our village together. Get involved in diaspora groups and attend community events. Find mentors, older couples who've thrived in the diaspora. Prioritize us time with weekly date nights. Nurture that bond because a strong marriage needs constant care. Let's rebuild that connection. Keeping the love alive. A final word. Our marriages are precious and worth fighting for. I have dropped links below to amazing organizations that understand our unique cultural challenges and offer support for stronger marriages, from counseling to financial help. Check the description, share with loved ones, and remember, you're not alone in this journey. Share this video with others and drop your tips in the comments. Let's keep this conversation going.